All right, so we got a fish on here. We're just a ways up from the area that I filmed last. That's a decent cutty. Cut bow maybe. I don't know if he's gonna make a run. I'm gonna try to get him out of the current here. Start walking him backwards. Decent sized fish. He's not huge. But I'm stoked because I've been out here for hours and it's pouring down rain. It's about 42 degrees, 45-ish. I don't remember. But yeah, it's a good fish. Come on, don't come off. And he's in the net. Oh, that's a beautiful fish, man. Can you guys see him? Tilt the camera down. Beauty. Let me get this dude. Make sure your hands are wet. You know what? I'm gonna use my freaking hemostats. Get this dude here. Come on, stay in the water, buddy. Really nice fish. No. All right, asshole. You're gonna fuck yourself up. Stop. Oh, he ate this thing good too, man. Man, you're all tangled up in the net now. I'm getting fucking pouring rain right now. Come on out. Oh. Sorry, bud. All right, flies out. Fish is healthy. Hopefully not too stressed. We're gonna try to beauty fish. Doesn't have the colors like that other guy did that I caught earlier this week. We're gonna let him go. See you, buddy. Thank you. All right, very cool. We'll show you where we're at. Make sure my fly's not stuck to the bottom as I try to reclasp my net here. And this is very overcast, rainy East Missoula area in the Clark Fork.